live. And we are live. Hello and welcome. Very good morning. I'm so excited to have you guys all here. New factory, new possibilities. And I must really say, we have several milestones reached. And yeah, like I said, I'm super happy to see you guys. But before we do the general introduction of our world sales team, I would like to do the following, as my dear colleague Thorsten is currently standing outside and is freezing quite a little bit. Thorsten, maybe you can give us an impression of what you are currently doing and where are you standing and what do you see?
Yeah, hello and good morning to all over the world at first, and a very warm welcome from the cold outside Hochheim. So I am proud to introduce our new facilities that are located directly in Hochheim am Main, which is very close to Frankfurt. So we have done the complete relocation till now, and yeah, I'm standing actually on a, let's say, mover here, which is
lifter. Wow. Okay.
a lifter, yeah, and yeah, it is a pity that I do not have the option to go a little bit higher to show you also the roof of, let's say, our new facilities, because on the roof there we have, let's say, the capability of a 270 kilowatts peak solar plant. And with this solar plant, we are, let's say, producing our energy. And yeah, so maybe I will move around a little bit. So this is our new facilities over there.
Oh, thank you so much, Thorsten. Yeah.
Yeah, and in the back there you can see the heat pumps,
Yeah.
and also, let's say, all the power chargers in the background where the cars are located. So we are producing our own energy, and yeah, we try to be in the green mission, like we are doing it with our products and solutions.
Yeah, super. Thorsten, your hands are shaking a little bit. I don't know
Yeah,
why, but
yeah. So I have been outside now till a quarter hour, and it's really
okay.
becoming cold outside.
Okay. I have an idea. You come back to me here in the warm meeting room, and then
That's a good idea.
we continue our session. Thank you so much,
Okay,
Thorsten,
see you in some minutes.
Thank you.
being outside. Yeah, super. All right, guys. Okay, this is what we wanted to do first. But now I would like to start with an introduction of you guys. And I must say, yeah, I mean, one thing is facility, but the most important thing in our company is the people. And the most important thing in our company is you. So yeah, we have a new member of our world sales team, which is Nikolai. Nikolai, we would like to give you a very warm welcome here in our round, and yeah, great to have you on board. Maybe you can say just a few words. What is your responsibility here in PSG?
Thank you. Thank you very much, Jörg, and many greetings for all of you. Several information about myself. I'm Nikolai Vișan with a huge passion for analytics, working for several years in process, emission monitoring applications, and I'm very happy to be here with you and to have this challenge to develop business in Eastern and Southeastern Europe. For me, it's a significant milestone of a perfect example gas and moving to a big factory. And I expect a lot of new projects, new challenges, and I will be together with you, with our partners in Southeast of Europe, and ready to help as much as possible. Thank you very much.
This is great. This is great. Welcome. Great to have you with us. Great to have you here on board. Okay, now we have to continue the journey. Now we started in Southeast Europe. But I think we should also start with the person which is from the northeast, farthest away. Dear Jamson, good morning, good afternoon.
Very good afternoon. It is 4 o'clock in the afternoon from Singapore. But my responsibility in Southeast Asia. So the Southeast Asia that mainly comprises of Malaysia, Indonesia, Vietnam, Thailand, Philippines, of course, some other countries is around me. Yeah. So this is my 5th year with PSG. Thank you. Thank
Super.
you.
Great to have you, Jamson, from Singapore. And please, you are not sitting in the restroom, Jamson, right? No, you are on a show, right? Okay, just a little fun. Okay, Jose, smiling is also something I would say very positive. So now we move from Singapore to Dubai. Hi, Jose. Good to see you at least.
Good afternoon. Thank you very much. Happy to be here again, all the team together. Yeah. Hi, Thorsten.
Thorsten is back again. Yeah, now I have to. Oh, it's cold. Oh, it's very cold. This is very cold. Yeah. Okay, Jose, you are handling what for PSG?
Yeah, I'm based in Dubai, but I'm looking after the whole Middle East region, or let's say the Gulf countries, Egypt, northern part of above, Iraq and so on, and India a little bit, and just exciting and really happy to support all our customers and partners and friends. Yeah, for the Middle East region, as well as Spain, of course, as well as Spain, since I'm Spanish. Yeah.
Yeah, you're Spanish. Very good. Super. Great. Then Antonio, I already.
Good morning for us. Well, I work with gas analyzer, development system, project, sampling system, startup training family. It's fantastic family. It's fantastic products. My responsibility nowadays is together Mexico, Central America, and South America also, but not only for business, for service also.
Super.
This is
Antonio,
my
so
job
great.
nowadays. I love it in my job.
This is great to hear. So great that you, because this is something we have to mention. For us, the timing is okay, but for you, it's very early. But we know you are a very tough and hard worker, and so thank you for joining us. Okay, guys. Let's give the audience an overview of what are we. This is just our world team again, which we are very proud of. I must really say, to have you all guys together and to see that we, as a small company, are capable to cover the whole world makes me, I must say, proud. And this so good to have you on board. Yeah. But now let's have a look. What was our idea? Why did PSG started this new project? And we try to write it down in kind of a management statement for the new factory. So it is really, we understand our new headquarter as, kind of a platform, as the basis for the future development of PSG. And I mean, the reason why we can do this is you, and is our partners, is our customers, who at the end obviously make all of this possible. And maybe Thorsten, if you want to add something to the idea which we had when we initially started this.
Of course, next to the customers and partners that we do have, let's say, all around the world, and our partners that are doing our sales locally and so on. Of course, we do need to say thank you very much for all the employees that we have inside, because we have done the relocation in, let's say, less than 1 week, and this was really hard work for all of the PSG team. And this is a small applause from our side that we have done this in such a great movement. And from the strategic point of view, I think we have, let's say, had some problems let's say problems, as we have left the old facilities, as we were very crowded. And now with the new facility, we have the capabilities to, let's say, extend our business, to have, let's say, more space, to do really professional and strategic logistics inside and all of this stuff. So I think that with the new capabilities, we will improve a lot, not just in terms of volume, sales, and all of this stuff, but more in terms of logistics, of delivery performance, and all of this. So yeah, I think this will be a big step forward for us.
Yeah, it certainly is. I mean, guys, we know that sometimes the factory troubles you with delivery times, and yeah, we are convinced that this is a very big step, that we have the chance to get more efficient, to do the great business we are doing. Maybe that is our target, to do it a little bit more relaxed. Yeah.
Yes.
And no, it will not. I mean, this is something. It is a transition. It is not happening from one day to the other day. But as we wrote there, it's the platform. Now we have enough space. We have enough capabilities, and now we are moving in, and we are very hardworking. The entire team is very hardworking. To improve, and this is what we wanted to show.
Yeah, maybe one more point to add. So giving back the monkey from the white side, going to the monkey to the white side. So doing sales and projects. Of course, with the space, we improve our, let's say, concepts, processes, logistics, and all of this stuff. But we are also improving in terms of projects. So if there's something about more sample probes, more lines, more coolers, more projects, whatever. So we can, of course, be there for you.
Yeah, that is a good. Maybe, I don't know, Jemsen. When have you ever been to, let's say, the old Steinbach factory, Steinbach 1, so to say?
You are testing me.
I am testing you, right? I don't remember. Certainly, when we started when we started our cooperation, we have still been in this facility. I think we've been there. Yeah, but this is the location PSG Petro Service GmbH at that time was located, from, I would say, 40 years roughly.
Wow.
And then we managed to move from this production with 700 square meters to our recent, or to the location where we have been before. As you can see, we already from 700 to 1,100 square meters. We managed to grow bigger. And we had a bigger office space with roughly 400 square meters. Yeah. I don't want to make a secret that our business plan failed, because we were planning to stay in this location longer. This is what I can really say, because we only moved there in 2021, and moving a factory is a very big exercise, guys. I must tell you. So we can be very happy that we now moved into this location. Yeah, but what do I mean with the business plan didn't work? It's the business plan was higher. We managed, with your support, with the support of the team, with the support of our partners and customers, to even exceed our expectations. And I always said this is a luxury problem, but after a certain amount of time, when you have more business than you expect, it becomes delivery issues, hectical, and all these things you guys sometimes have to, let's say, suffer or to experience. And so now this is. We would like to give you a little bit a tour of of the creation of this new facility, and Yeah, I must say we have been working on this project roughly 2 and something years. Yeah, from the initial idea till now. And in 2023, here you can see a small picture of the PSG team, which was there where we really started the construction work. We felt that the time was relatively long, but it was not, because I mean we started to move in October or September this year. So at the end, it was just 1 year of building this new facility. Yeah. And as you can see, we really started from the scratch. I took some pictures to give you maybe an idea how all of this started, and this is how you can see how the ground is prepared. I can tell you there's many testings in order to make sure that the basis for the new factory is very solid. Yeah. What is also one thing we would like to mention here and stress here is, for us, it was important that we are, as Thorsten already said, we are very, that this is a sustainable new location. That means you can see we've been working with a lot of wood, and we have a very good isolation shield here in the office, and also in the production facilities, because it's our target that we want to be, let's say, emission free. You know, so some of the bigger companies are looking to have zero emission in 2020 or 2030. And it was our target that using solar power, using heat pumps, and having a very good insulation, we wanted to get there.
Yeah, and maybe this is something that I can tell you. Really, it's amazing when you have such a good insulation in here. So the heat pumps are not working that much for the bureau itself. Of course, for the production facilities, they are working because this also needs to be heated up. But for the bureaus itself, it is such a warm climate in here. So
yeah,
it's really amazing. So it's really amazing for me. Yeah.
Funny enough, Thorsten, I mean, with Nikolai, it's different. But when we look into all of you, that is the same for Antonio, for Jose, and for Jemsen. You guys don't experience so much cold, right? Antonio, what is the coldest temperature in Brazil?
Nowadays, around 13, 32 Celsius degree. It's
Okay.
summer now.
And in the winter times, what is the coldest temperature at all?
In winter time, the lowest temperature here in São Paulo city or in Brazil is around 10, 11, 12 degrees, no less.
Right.
It's typical.
Okay. Yeah. Jose, what about you?
Yeah, summertime here is a little bit higher than Brazil. You could face 40, 45, sometimes 50 degrees in the middle of the summer. And in winter is really pleasant. It's like spring or in Europe. And during the day, it could be like around 20s and nights 12, 15 in January, February. But it's only few hours during the night. Yeah.
Okay, super. James and I remember one sentence from you, hottest, or what is the, I think you are muted, Jameson.
That's right. Between 24 to 34.
Yeah, that is your range, right? Yeah, so maybe it's hard for you guys to understand what we are talking about here. But I mean, in Germany or in the colder areas, obviously a very good isolation is super important. And that is the same for our product, right? You guys remember our PSG EMI heated line, where we save energy in operating the line with a good insulation. And this is really what we wanted to show also when customers come here to visit us, right? So we think it's important not to have this only in the let's say in the products, but also in the surrounding. yeah, this is already here some pictures, as you can see. So, some parts of this look really like Lego. Yeah, so we were. It was amazing to see that, for example, the office building. I think the walls and all of the office building was maybe installed in 1.5 weeks or something, 2 weeks maybe time. But then obviously it takes a lot of time until everything is finished. Yeah. So this is one of the latest pictures. As you can see here, we now have roughly 750 square meters office and R&D space in the new facility. We have 3,000 square meters in 3 halls for the production, and this is we hope that this is enough space really to do the next development step with you guys, with your help. And we would really like to use also this opportunity here to invite not just you, but also customers to come and see the new facilities and to explore what is the possibilities we can do together. Yeah.
Okay.
Because we would like to continue the way we started, which is, and this is also something I would like to use, or we should use here as a teaser. I can tell you, in all our product and projects solutions, we are working on new developments. Yeah. I think when we look at the gas sampling probes, for example, we see some changes, we see some updates, we see that the measurement ranges go lower, lower, lower. In many areas, the dust is going lower, lower, lower at the same time. So I can tell you that we will be launching a new product in this field very soon. For the heated sample lines, you guys know we have this huge variety on solutions, and also there you will see some new concepts, some new products as well. And same goes in the area of conditioning. I would say our conditioning area will have a big bang on the 1st of January. To give you a little teaser, we will have a completely new product. It's a new product line, I can probably say. It's not just, let's say, a new cooler model, but it's a completely new solution and solution line, which we will have in the conditioning. So, guys, I think you can really be excited about the news we are working on. Torsten, maybe you can give a little bit also on the recent developments for our system solutions.
Yeah, so when we look at, let's say, the system solutions, of course, we are putting a lot of efforts into the hydrogen business. I think this is a clear statement for us, because we want to bring, let's say, safe and efficient solutions to the market. Why are we doing this? To transport our products. So this means with also the new capabilities in the conditioning, and also with, let's say, the heated sample lines, the antifreeze protected lines, with the sample takeoff, pressure reduction, and all of this stuff, I think that we can supply very good solutions in those, let's say, rising and upcoming markets. I think these will be some interesting things for us, because we have done some good research about, especially, I must say, the hydrogen business, and I think this can be a core for us in the future.
Super. Yeah, thank you, Torsten. So I think this is, let's say, a short teaser. This event was meant to be more or less really a teaser to show everyone outside we are investing into the future. We are developing an interesting future, and we are here to discuss products, projects, right solutions for the perfect sample gas. And yeah, with your support and help, yeah, I think we will make also this new factory busy. I think that should be the target. Also, something we would like to announce here is, guys, next year we will see us all together. Yeah, we would like all of you to come together to our international sales meeting. I think, Jose, you had the chance this week to already see the new factory. Is this right?
Yes, yes. It was not planned, but was a good opportunity because on my way back from Spain to Dubai, I stopped over for one day in the factory, and I had the opportunity to see Torsten, Jonas, and all the team there, and they gave me a small tour, which I have to say was really, really interesting and very nice. Happy to see these new improvements on the factory.
Okay.
Yeah. Congratulations, everybody. Yeah.
Thank you, Jose. No, it was great to have you with us. Yeah. No, and like I said, I think it is important for all of us to gather you guys together. Next year is a special year for PSG because next year we will be turning 50.
Wow.
50. Yeah. And I think, yeah, we will also do a celebration about that. I think that really shows 50 years existence for a company is not, let's say, a guarantee for the future, but it shows the reliability of the products. And I think that is a big message. If you don't keep innovating and developing new products and solutions, I think it's the 50 years don't help you to exist in the future. But this is a special event for us, and combined with the new factory, we will do some celebration. So you guys can be excited.
Right. Yeah. So at least from my side, I would like to say one more time, thank you to, let's say, all of you guys that are participating in this meeting, but also and especially to all of our customers who makes this possible for us, to our team inside who has done the big relocation, and it was really not easy. It was hard work, and we are very proud and happy to have this new opportunity to, let's say, come up with new products, come up with new logistic concepts, and be very precise and good in the things that we are doing. So thank you very much to all of you.
Same here, guys. Thank you for your time. Thank you for getting up. And yeah, we wish you a good and successful week and a good end of the year rally, or how we would call this. Yeah. Take good care. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Bye.